back here on Jordan's Mustang. We've got our water pump pulley back in, alternator on, our belts all tightened up. Did get the fitting out here for the heater hose, and you know, the hot water runs through the carb and all that. So we're gonna put a 3/8 plug in that baby because the heater core is shot anyway, so we're just gonna take care of all that. Now we're gonna get ready to put our radiator in and finish making up our custom lines. All right, we've got our radiator in with our pusher fan because there ain't enough clearance for a puller because this cold case radiator is thick. Mocking up and mounting our Scott Drake expansion tank, which Jordan picked out, and it's actually really bitchin'. I love it. So that's coming along. Then we're gonna finish constructing our hoses and go. I gotta go down and get the plug for that. All right, finished mocking up our lower hose. That's pretty badass, actually. Gotta go down and get clamps still. God damn it, dropping everything. So I gotta get that done. I'm gonna get my upper mocked, and then I'm gonna go make a quick run. That's done. Alrighty. Just kind of testing the fan. We already have our ground done. That's gonna stay that way, but yeah, that does the job. Alright, so now we run that to our purple. And then we run the yellow to a keyed inside. And that's wired and done. All right, so we've got our wiring all handled. That's ready. We have our overflow hose for our expansion tank done. We need to put coolant in our system. But I noticed the fuel line back here. I know we just put this on maybe a year ago, but holy crap, what a bunch of garbage. Anyway, I'm gonna go change that out. So I changed out both fuel lines because those were scary. Jordan, so I got her started and she was running good, but we've got a problem. There is water coming out our exhaust. I'm a bit worried here. I had a slight concern when I was putting coolant in her, and the water level went down a little bit. I thought we were just burping. She is not happy. Yep. So this was full when we started it. We got up to temp. Got her running, we got the water going, you know, everything was operating fine, and then we got the steam. So it's definitely, head gasket went bye-bye. So I'm gonna pull the plugs quick, see what we got, and we'll go from there. Well, she must have been seeping water for a while, because there's spark plug number 1, and it's got rust all over it. Oh boy. Cylinder number 2. Cylinder number 3, it's wet with a little fuel, but it's not bad otherwise. Ooh, hot! Oh, wow. Cylinder number 4. Yeah, you've been getting wet and wild a while. Look at all that. Cylinder 5, 6. So it looks like 1, 2, and 4 are our culprits.